What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I want to show you how you can make money on ClickBank with this free traffic website over here. Now, this website is actually a paid traffic website, but I found a little underground backdoor where you can actually go and get this paid traffic completely for free legally with this website as well. So this is something really interesting because it's actually very high quality paid traffic. Like I said, I'm going to show you a secret bypass that you can actually get this completely for free. This is a very unspoken about strategy, super powerful and a great way to get a lot of traffic. And on top of this, I'm going to show you how to build a quick landing page where we can collect emails as well and build an email marketing subscriber list, which again increases our conversion rate up to 30 to 40%. So we're going to be using ClickBank in this video. If ClickBank is not supported in your country, I will show you an awesome alternative with this. And this is going to be a very easy step-by-step process for you to follow. And if you stick with me until the end, I will give you a completely free and exclusive affiliate marketing course for you guys to download. No upsell to some ridiculous $2,000 course, just pure free value. But before we get started, I want you to go down below to the bottom of this channel, hit that red subscribe notification bell on as well, so that I can send you a notification to your phone every time I upload the latest way to make money online. Also, follow me on Instagram over here. You can view some of my podcast content. You can also DM me, and you can also see some of my trading results over there that I post on my stories. With all of that being said, we can get straight into this video over here. So firstly, you want to come over to clickbank.com as mentioned in the introduction. You want to click on sign up over here. I will take you through the quick process. You just want to enter your country, last name, phone number, email address, and password. Click on continue to terms and conditions over here. Say that you've agreed to them and join ClickBank. Once you've done that, it's going to load you up on your affiliate marketing dashboard over here. Okay, I just need to re-log in. And once you're on your dashboard, you'll be able to click on the marketplace button over here on the top, which will take you to all the available categories of various different affiliate products that we can go and promote. Now, how this works is different people and companies around the world create these digital products in various different categories. And now we as an affiliate can go and promote these products for these people. They've created landing pages done for us, and we can sell this for them and earn anywhere up to a 50 to 80% commission per sale that we make. Before you go and choose any product, what I suggest you do is come over to this website called CB Snoop. Just search it on Google. It's called CB Snooper. Okay, I just spelled this wrong. CB Snoop over here. It'll be the first link, cbsnooper.com. And we can actually go and view some interesting background statistics of ClickBank over here. Just log in with your free account. And we can go and look at the top 5 ClickBank products right now, making the most commissions, making the most sales, and performing the best. So over here, you can see we've got the smoothie diet. We've got the Okinawa flat belly tonic, the Denitox unique dental drops offer, and Java burn over here. So this all falls under health and fitness. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the top 5 all-time ClickBank products right now all fall under health and fitness. So what does that tell you? That is a booming industry right now, probably because of the new COVID strand that has come out. A lot of countries are closing the airports and gyms, etc. So people now wanting to work from home. That is why this is a great time to capitalize on this and promote these sort of work and exercise from home products. So if we come over to ClickBank over here on our dashboard, go and click on health and fitness, and this is the important part. You want to go and filter by gravity over here. This filters by the best performing products, and as you can see, you've got Java Burn, Expire, the Smoothie Diet, Okinawa Belly Fat, and the Denitox over here. So right now, all 5 of these products on the ClickBank top 5 over here actually all fall under the weight loss over here. So we can pretty much go and use any one of these. What I suggest you do is look for a product that has these 2 little blue arrows over here, and you'll see they have reoccurring billing. This means that you can actually make a passive income from this because there's probably a monthly fee to pay for this product, meaning if you refer someone to this product, they pay a monthly fee and you actually get a commission every single month. So that means you can actually build up 5, 10, 15, 20 people paying you every month, and that's how you can scale to thousands of dollars every single month, and hopefully even up to a point where you get paid every single day. So let's, for example, go and use this Okinawa belly flat tonic over here. You can see this is a reoccurring commissions. You're making $148 per sale, so the commission payout and the amount you make per sale is also very high, as I would rather make $148 per sale instead of $27. You're going to click on promotes over here. You're going to click on generate hop links, copy your hop link, and just paste this in a new tab over here. Here you can see is the done for you landing page with a free training over here. And then all we're going to go and do is we're quickly going to go and create a bridge page. So with that being said, we quickly want to go and design a landing page where we can go and collect our leads, names, and emails. The reason we want to do this is because when we do this and collect names and emails, they're saved to an email list where we can actually send out promotional emails that this affiliate program is going to give us. You don't have to worry about writing those out. I'm going to show you how to get them now. And it increases your conversion rate up to about 40 to 50%, which makes a big difference in your sales and your success from this. So we can come over to a tool over here called builderall.com. Now, if you want to go and get over, I think it's $1,200 over here, $1,288 worth of bonuses. So you get a customized business strategy to follow, done for you email marketing templates, and done for you high converting funnel templates, and a private group chat as well, all completely for free when you join Builderall over here. So this is the second link in the description. Builderall you will get for free for your first month, and then afterwards I think there's a fee of about $14 or $60 or $70 a month depending on the package that you want. But like I said, first month is completely free. You don't have to worry about being charged for that. You can always use the strategy to make money back on your Builderall account, or you can just cancel it if you're not happy with it. So this is the second link in the description. Once you've done that and signed up to your Builderall account, it will take you to your dashboard that looks like this. What we want to go and do is we want to click on the Cheetah website builder over here. You just click on tools, or you can come over to apps on the top right, but I'm just going to click on tools over here on the drop down. Click on Cheetah website builder. It will open it up in the new tab. Click on create a new website. Click choose from professional templates. And all you want to do is on the search bar, you want to click over here, opt. Just search the word opt, because we want to find an opt-in page. And you can go and click on theme number 4, the reverse opt-in. That's one of my favorites. Just click on select this, click on save. It will automatically build your landing page for you within a couple of seconds. And all we need to do is go and click on edit page over here, so we can go and edit this page according to our ClickBank product. So yeah, you can see, again, we can literally come over to our product over here, and we want to copy the title, and we can use this as our title over here. Continuing with this page, it's as easy as that. Now, all you want to do is you just want to go and delete this video. It's going to make sense. And we want to go and add a screenshot of this page's video over here. So all we're going to do is we're going to click on print screen on our keyboard, or you can just go use a print screen tool on Google for free. So just go and paste this on Paint over here, and you want to go and crop this out. So we're going to click on select over here, click on rectangular selection, and just crop out this entire video. So just click on crop, click on file, save as JPEG image, and just save this to your PC. Then you want to close this, come back to your Cheetah website builder, click on the dropout on the right. You want to go and click on, I think it's image, go and click on horizontal image, just drag this onto your page. You're going to click on this image, click on edit elements, click on general settings, click on change image. I know it's quite a lot, just follow my mouse with me. Click on select file, and then click that same video that we screenshotted. So over here we want to click on select it, click on save, and here you can see if I now stretch this out, this now looks like a clickable video. And just click on centerize over here. Just make sure everything is centerized, and put your email below to get instant access. And all you want to do is click on set list over here, and you can just go and select this to any list. So let's go and use, for example, default email marketing list. Let's click on save. Then again, just select this to your affiliate link. So click on set link over here, because this means they need to enter their email and name before they can continue to affiliate link. Click on subscribe, confirm, and enter your affiliate link over here. So we're going to come back to the ClickBank page here, click on promote, and copy your affiliate link. Come back to your Builderall website and just go right click, paste. Now, why did that not paste? Let's just go recopy this, generate Hotlinks, just go copy it manually if that does that, and just paste it over there. Then what you're going to do is click on select over here, and same with unsubscribe, confirm, go and paste this here, and for subscribe pending, go and paste this here and click on save. Now what you want to do is go and save this page over here. You'll see this page has now been posted publicly. So if I copy my link to this page and paste this in a new tab, and if I enter my email and name, click on go to step 2, take a look at this. It's then going to take me straight through my affiliate link to this page over here where they can watch that free training. Now, what you don't know is when they entered, or when I entered my email on that previous page, we need to go and set up an email subscriber list. So what you want to do is come back to your Builderall dashboard over here, click on Mailing Boss, click on Lists over here, it will then open up all your email list. Now remember, we selected that default email list. All we need to do is we need to set all the emails to send out to that specific list. So over here you can see is my Okinawa default email list over here. We're then going to go and click on campaigns and click on email sequence over here. And we want to go and select our Okinawa sequence. So let's click on Okinawa sequence, which is the new one that we've created. And take a look at this. I've already got 2 of these emails set up. And this is what you want to do. Come back to ClickBank over here. You will see under the Okinawa belly fat, click on the affiliates page over here. Affiliates page. So click on this link. If you then go and open this up, go and click on top converting email swipes over here and click on get immediate access, and it will actually open up all of this in a Google document. Now what you can do is you can go and copy and paste all of these emails just like this. Right click, copy, and all you need to do is just replace the blue text with your affiliate link. Come back to the mailing boss over here. You want to click on add a new email, double click on your email content and paste your entire email here, and just go and okay, obviously copy the subject line. You just want to go and put that as your subject. Just highlight that, put that there, and remove all of this over here. Now all you want to do is just go and replace all this blue text and obviously your name over here, J Froneman, and set this to your affiliate link. So all you do is you just double click, highlight it, and select the link option over here, and you can paste your affiliate link over here. Then what you want to do is you want to click on add another email, so we can add the second email. And then you want to go and copy on those Google documents over here the second email. So just go and copy this as is. Right click, copy, come back to mailing boss, paste this over here. But this is important. This is what you need to know. You need to set this email to only send the next day. So you need to go and click on the days option over here and just enter under autoresponder time value and make sure it's selected on day number 1. That means this email will only send in 1 day's time. If you enter 2, it'll only send in 2 days time. So why this is important is because you want to set these emails over here to send out every single day. I think there's 19 emails every single day for 19 days, because that is going to make a huge, massive role in your conversions. And then finally, you want to copy the link to the landing page that you've made, and you want to come over to this website over here called Simple Free Traffic. So the next step is click on the Start Now button so we can go and start this. And this is where I'm going to show you how to find that loophole to actually getting this for free. What you want to do is you want to click on enter your website URL over here. Enter your email, first name, your last name, your targeting location. Go and select first world country. So for example, United States, and let's go and do United Kingdom over here. You want to go and select all devices for your plan. I recommend go and choose 500 visitors per day. For your goal, you want to click on get more affiliate sales. You want to click on include free trial. You want to go and select over here, agree to the terms and conditions. You want to click on create a subscription over here. Then what it's going to do is it's actually going to take you to PayPal over here where you need to go and pay. Now, we don't want to do that. We don't want to pay anything. But if you click over here on the screen, cancel and return to ASEN group, take a look at this little trick over here. It's going to tell you, oops, your payment was cancelled. We did not receive your payment information and you were not charged. Please note that we do require payment information to start a free trial, but you will not be charged unless you continue after your trial ends. So this means you will not be charged unless you actually decide to continue over that trial period. Click on start again over here and just enter the same information, and boom, as you can see, my active trial for $15 has been created. And what you can do is you can go and click on details over here. If you want to, you can go and select change URL, and you can go and paste your URL over here. Click on save, and you'll see over here this has now been updated to my landing page. And with this website, using this free trial loop, you can actually go and get tons of traffic, free paid traffic with this. They will do all the hard work for you, all the ads, all the leads, everything that you need to do. You've paid them to do it. Well, you've kind of just bypassed it with a free trial, and you can go and do it again and again. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you out with a free affiliate marketing course, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video. I've got an entire playlist for you guys on YouTube with my best affiliate marketing videos. That it contains knowledge that I've learned from thousands of dollars worth of courses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it on the screen over here. You'll see it pop up on a big square. You can go and click on it. There's about 300 videos in this playlist of my best affiliate marketing videos from the last 3 years that I've been posting content on YouTube. So what I suggest is go and use some of these traffic methods over here with this landing page that we have just created to build your email list and to build your conversions and affiliate marketing revenue online. So go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.